Ticket website for Buju's concert crashes minutes after opening. There are also suggestions that the site might have been cloned.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The website for tickets to Buju Banton's Long Walk to Freedom concert crashed this morning only minutes after it went live. Tickets went on sale on bujubanton.com at 11 a.m. for the long-awaited Jamaican leg of the entertainer's concert following his release from a US prison in December. Caribtix.com, the linked website to which persons were redirected, was also experiencing difficulties. Buju's Long Walk to Freedom tour will kick off at the National Stadium in St. Andrew on March the 16th.
On the 16th of March, the National Stadium will be a venue like no other.
The event was launched on Wednesday night, January 16th at the Spanish Court Hotel in St. Andrew. Speaking at the launch, Solid Agency's Marlon Burke said the website could handle the expected traffic. "We have been guaranteed," Burke said. "Caribtix has all that they need to have in place," he added. Burke said the aim was to make this the biggest concert in Jamaica, and a website crash would signal that patrons would be attending. It is common for large concerts to cause website crashes when tickets go online. Meanwhile, the promoters of the concert are allaying fears that tickets have been sold out. Minutes after the tickets went on sale on Buju's official website, it showed that tickets to the general admission and VIP sections were sold out. Shortly after, the site seemed to have been shut down by its administrators, and the posting read, "Please pardon us as we resolve some issues." However, Banton's publicist, Tomlinson, said that scalpers may have cloned the website and warned prospective patrons not to purchase their tickets via any other medium other than Buju Banton's official website. The site may have been cloned. Tickets are not sold out. That is not true. We are currently working to fix any issues with ticket purchases, and we would like to warn patrons not to buy their tickets anywhere else. We have to heighten our security, Tomlinson said. The same warning was posted on Buju Banton's Instagram page. The ticket prices that have been announced for the concert are as follows: US $32 for early bird bleachers tickets, US $64 for early bird grandstand tickets, US $80 for early bird field access tickets, and US $140 for early bird VIP tickets. Tomlinson said persons who purchase their tickets online will be able to print an electronic access code which should be presented at the gate along with identification to enter the venue. Tomlinson also sought to allay the concerns of members of the public who felt they were being sidelined due to their lack of internet access, which they felt would exclude them from being able to purchase tickets. "We are going to have physical tickets on sale in the near future. We have to ensure that the correct security features are in place and also minimize the efforts of those who would engage in nefarious activities and attempt to reprint fake tickets. We will not exclude anyone from witnessing this historic occasion," she said.
See you in the National Stadium on the 16th of March. One love.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.